good, my people? Back again with another how to lace video. So today I've got the New Balance 2000 on foot. I've got my laces and I won't waste too much time and get straight into it. So as you can see here, that's how they're factory laced. There is a loop here, doesn't get laced there if I'm honest. So all you need to do is straight away just grab your laces. The first bit I'll just show you how to do, but it's difficult to do on camera sometimes. So just thread it through there a little bit at the bottom. So you have to go over and through on both sides. Then what I usually do just to make it easier is line up the laces like that, grab it here and then just pull it through, and then you've got the nice starting straight away, not tangled, and it's the same length. Then for the bottom one, you're going to go underneath and through, nice and straight, and then underneath and through again. So now you've got the underneath done, you're going to go over and around. I'm going to go over, through and around. So you're not going to go under over like this, you're going to go over and around, and again over and around. Straighten that one up. I really like these laces, they're very easy to deal with, to use. So now we've got 1 crisscross, 2 crisscross, 3 crisscross, 1, 2, 3. This one has to go through here, so straight just through the loop and through the next lace hole, just like that. Then the next one goes straight through here and through there. Now if you wanted to, you could lace them like this without going through the other loops. Not too bad. The tongue will be out a bit more. You can just stop there. But if you wanted to do it the proper factory way, one more loop. It's a bit difficult to thread this one in. Where you going, mate? There we go. And then you just want to tighten them however tight you want. So for me, I'm going to go medium tightness on those, and then you're just going to lace it up, tie it up, and you're sorted. And that's how you factory lace the New Balance 2000. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the other content, all the other videos, and take care, my people.